Today, we are going to talk about the opening hook. Why the first 7 seconds of your video or live stream are so crucial. The very first piece of information that you give on your live stream or video, whatever you convey in the first several seconds is the most important. Whether it's verbally what you say, or whether it's a graphic that you throw up, you want to keep viewers watching. There is one exception to this, and that is if you're going live and you put a countdown timer, everybody knows that 20-second countdown or 1-minute countdown, that's not part of the video. So that's the exception. That part is just telling people, hey, I'm about to go live. But once that countdown timer reaches 0 and you're in a live stream, those are what I would count as the first 7 seconds. But let's just say it's a regular video. So you want to keep people watching. So if you're going live, many people will come from replay view. So this is important for live streams too. So you don't want to start by saying, oh, hey, how's it going? You can say, hi, how's it going in a minute. But first you have to say, within the first 7 seconds, you have to answer the question, what's in it for me, for the viewer. So the viewer is saying, do I want to watch this? They have to know what's in it for them if they stay. They have to know why I should watch this. So you can do a lot of things to write an opening hook. I call this the opening hook. You can explain the result the viewer will get. You can, for example, I could just put that graphic up. How to become the go-to expert on video. You hold it there for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's about enough for people to read that. Or you can just say something like, hey, today you're going to learn how to become the go-to expert on video. Okay, so if that's the first thing out of my mouth and somebody's interested in that, they'll stay. If it's, they'd rather learn how to cook chicken, they go bye-bye. You can start a story. People love stories, and they'll actually listen to your little mini story, which may go longer than 7 seconds, but as long as you start the story within the first 7 seconds, they'll listen in, and if it's a meaningful story to them, they'll stick around and stay. So there's many different ways to go about doing an opening hook. You can just describe the problem. Just say, oh, don't you hate it when you try to put up wallpaper and it rips? Well, today we're going to find out how you can save your expensive wallpaper with the new glue by blah, 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 right? And so the reason all the videos need these opening hooks is that the human attention span is shrinking. It was down to 8 seconds as of 2013, which was 4 seconds less than the year 2000. We are devolving because, and it's actually 1 less than a goldfish. But the reason is we're so bombarded with information. Evolutionarily speaking, we can't handle all this information coming at us. So we have to try and filter out everything that doesn't matter, because we're going to go nuts if we don't. And if you're somebody like a stranger that I've never met, that I don't know, or you're not being endorsed by somebody, like as a guest expert on their panel, then I'm really going to spend very little time on you.